We have too many people and she doesn't have the offers. Mr. Dupree, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your
Who's your client?
I have Darnell Gregory.
I don't think he's here yet.
I believe he's in the Wayne County Jail, Judge. So we
Okay.
probably will need to reset this to writ him.
That would be a reason why he wouldn't be here, huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Just have a
morning.
seat right here in the front row. I'll be right with you.
Sir, may I have your name?
That you want Miss Griffin to remove her baseball cap.
All right, I'm gonna start letting them in.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please mute your devices and take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Okay, all right, get your devices, please. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. All right, Mr. Green, Adonis Green, I'm still waiting on the confirmation from the community court, from the community service. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me call the City of Detroit versus Shakita Garrison, case number SP 91, strike that, SP 191-04401. Appearance for the record, state your name for the record, please.
Shakita Garrison.
Okay, Ms. Garrison, good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It is set for a review. You were supposed to pay $240. I don't see that you paid.
Your Honor, it slipped my mind and I just wanted to make payment arrangements.
All right, well, you gotta go down, you gotta come down to the courthouse and do that, bless you. When are you gonna, I'm gonna give you a review date of September the 9th, 2026. I'll mark the file allow payment plan. I've already marked that file allow payment plan. So September the 9th, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Either get into the payment plan or pay it off. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too as well.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Tanaya Lindsay, case number Z8101261. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Good morning.
Elwood
morning.
S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, madam.
Denia Lindsay.
All right, good morning to you, Miss Lindsay. Today is the date and time is set for a arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $500 personal bond. Miss Lindsay, I'm going to have you start testing 1 time per week. I'm going to order you not to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission. And no drinking during the pendency of this case. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry, see if Miss Lindsay wants an appointed attorney or if she's going to hire her own attorney. Miss Lindsay, join the room. Here, let me explain to you, Miss Lindsay. I'm going to expect that you are not drinking. I'm going to test results. I want to see be negative. If there's any missed tests, diluted tests, or positive tests for alcohol, we're going to up the ante on the bond. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Mr. Wendell Lewis, Judge.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. House counsel offers were sent about 10 minutes ago. And good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Morning. Morning, Ms. Horn.
Zoom user, can you unmute yourself, please? And
Yes,
state, no, not you, sir.
Robert Lindsay Jackson.
Not you.
Okay.
I'm unmuted.
What's your name, ma'am? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Felicia Lightfoot.
I can't hear you.
Felicia Lightfoot.
Ms. Lightfoot, good morning to you.
Good morning. Yes. Yes.
All right, Mr. Dillard, Lindsay Jackson is not on the docket. Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Robert Jr. Lindsay Jackson, and the state of Michigan versus Robert Jr. Lindsay Jackson. Case number SP 1928002, counts 1 and counts 2, and SX 47027761. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard, P37225, on behalf of Ms. Jackson.
Mr. Jackson.
Mr. Jackson.
Mr. Lindsay Jackson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Robert Lindsay Jackson.
All right, day as they tie, we'll call it set for an arraignment. Purposes of arraignment, counselor?
Stands mute, waives formal reading, Your Honor.
All right, enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. He was caught up in that date we closed. He's got basically a insurance ticket, security failure. That's a state ticket, insurance, a failure to use turn signal, and an expired plate. Get Mr. Lindsay Jackson an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lindsay Jackson, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Dillard, and he's going to try to get you that updated offer, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And Your Honor, again, for the record, insurance, failure to use signal, and expired plate, those 3 matters, correct?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. You're welcome. Ms. Horn should be in 4.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Yep. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Lavelle Lee. Mr. Lee, case number SP 187-06792. Good morning to you, Mr. Lee. State your name for the record, please.
Lavelle Leaf.
All right, the date and time is set for review. You did not pay, nor did you get into a payment plan. If I saw that correct.
I called them and they answered, the phone just kept ringing with the payment plan.
I told you, you got to come down to the courthouse. I told you had to come down to the courthouse.
I thought it said I could pay by the kiosk.
You can pay by the kiosk, but to get into a payment plan, you didn't. So you said you called. You didn't even try to pay by the kiosk. I mean, you didn't go to the kiosk.
They didn't answer the phone, so I could tell them my situation. It was.
I said, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it, or come on down to the courthouse on or before today's date and get into a payment plan. That was what I said. That's what I say to everyone. I'm going to give you that.
Well, I'm saying that to say I exerted all my other resources when it came to the community service. I was trying to really do that, but my disability didn't permit me to be able to do that. So I couldn't get enrolled through the payment plan through you, or you had somebody.
Oh, you got to come down to the courthouse. I don't enroll in payment plans.
Man, that's the problem with me getting to the community service was my transportation and my disability. But
you got to figure it out, sir. You're too old for me to be. You figure out everything else you want to do. Come back on September 9th. I'm gonna give you that last time to figure it out. All right.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Did we get
Ms. Shelton she had to contact the community service district.
Oh, so you had talked to her?
I did talk to her.
Okay, very good. Mr. Green, they're contacting Ms. Shelton. Ms. Shelton's checking on that now. So just give us a minute. Who's ready? Mr. Boffman, you had some clients here. Mr. Dupree, you want another date for Darnell Gregory. This is the city of Detroit versus Darnell Stewart Gregory, case number SP 188-96681. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, P0132 for the defendant. Judge, my client is in the Wayne County Jail. The defense would move for an adjournment and a writ for him to be produced via video for the next hearing.
As far as you're retained, you're appointed, or this is your client, and I'm going to waive the client's presence in Wayne County Jail for purposes of arraignment.
Waive reading, stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. August 31st at 8:30. Okay.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor.
And best of luck to you, Mr. Is it Sanchez? Mike Sanchez? Mr. Boffman, you there? All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lindsay. Ms. Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Yes, Your Honor. I requires an attorney, and her number is in the chat.
Okay, Ms. Lindsay.
Hello?
Yes.
Ms. Lindsay, I'm going to have you, I'm going to refer this matter to probation for the testing. They're going to facilitate the testing, and I'm going to mark the file needs appointed attorney, okay?
Okay.
You're going to be looking for 2 calls. I'm going to give you a pretrial date of August 31st, 2026 at 8:30. You're gonna be looking for two calls. One of the calls should be the probation for the testing. Today is Monday. I expect to see a test today. I mean, this week. I expect to see a test this week. If you get toward the end of the week and you haven't heard from anyone, then I expect that you be proactive instead of coming here on the 31st saying nobody ever called me. I expect you to be proactive and get in touch with the court or get in touch with probation. Do you have an ink pen?
No, not by me. No, no.
How are you gonna take any notes down, or what are you?
I know August 31st.
No, number to probation. You need to number to probation so you can call them if they haven't called you.
Just a second. Corey, let me see if I want to put this number in there. Okay, I'm ready for the number.
All right, 313-341, number 313-965-3414.
965
965-3414.
3414.
So you understand where I'm coming from, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so if you don't have any further questions, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay, Mr. Berry, this is going to be the city of Detroit.
Hello?
Jabari Graham, case number SP1929108, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh,
Jabari Graham.
S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Graham, good morning to you.
Good morning.
State your name, please.
Jabari Graham.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. Mr. Graham, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, when you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter.
Good morning.
Mr. Mike Sanchez, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I had court like last week and I missed it. And I've been trying to call to get a new date.
Turn your camera on. I'm not talking to you if I can't see you.
Good morning.
Where is it? All right, give me a minute, please. Where are you?
Park.
Go ahead, Mr. Bachman. Good morning to you.
Good Monday morning, and thank you, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm well. How about yourself?
Feel good. Glad to see you. I have one client that's here so far, but I have another client, Mr. David Loving, who's is in federal prison in Pennsylvania. I do have written authorization to share with the court. I will send that to the court's email.
Do you know what your other client wants to do?
The client that is currently in the meeting and ready, Your Honor, is Tamink Little Hall. We are ready for a trial date, please, a bench trial date.
Okay. Dupree needs to come back. Yeah.
He has another.
He has another matter. Of Detroit versus Tamik Joy Little Hall, case number U755-20326. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant, give us your full and complete name, ma'am.
Tamik Dayjoy Little Hall.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. You want a trial date?
Please
Yes.
and thank you, Your Honor. We'll be ready. I've had discovery requested already.
August 31st at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Miss Little Hall, is that your brother?
Yes.
Is he here? Is he supposed to come in today?
No, I think his court date was tomorrow.
Was it?
I think they're.
Yeah, maybe so. Maybe so. All right. Be safe, Miss Little Hall. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Before we conclude, Your Honor, I just want you to know that I have filed an appearance on behalf of the MIDC with the court on the court's email.
Okay, very well.
I did receive.
Thank you.
And we've received that.
Perfect. I'll stand by it.
Did he say he sent something else?
All right. Okay, Ms. Harris, Attorney Harris, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm actually here just to stand in for Attorney Gaden Robinson. I'm not sure if she was able to check in yet.
No, she didn't.
And I believe she has 4 matters.
Well, I don't know which ones. Do you know which ones?
I am waiting for that information, but I will be sending the court a chat. Thank you. I'll wait.
Okay. Officer Villa Gomez.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. What is your defendant's name?
Good morning, sir. It's gonna be Miss Leon Ortiz, I believe. First name starts with an M, as in Mary.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Marisol.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Other gentleman has an attorney. You know, second from who's attorney here. All right, let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're going to be asking the court to set this matter for a bench trial. I talked to the prosecutor.
Oh, no, I haven't called that one. Let's call the city of Detroit versus John Axton Graham, case number SP 164-70571, SP 166-15221. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157 on behalf of Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, would you state your full name for the court, please?
John
Axton Graham.
Good morning to you. You want a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor. I've advised my client as to his rights to a jury trial, a bench trial, and his rights going forward. He's wishing to waive his rights to a jury trial. We're asking the court to set that for a bench trial, please.
All right, come back, Mr. Graham, on August 31st, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You don't have to call Mr. You're welcome. You don't have to call Mr. Somebody else seems to be representing him for some reason.
The one for the free?
Yeah.
Okay, I texted
We
him
have
already.
two more in-persons, Judge. And one of them, Mr. Desmond Greer said, just let's go for it, says attorney.
Let me call the city, let's recall the city of Detroit versus Jabari Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and seeks the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
That's what you want, Mr. Graham?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna set it for a pretrial on August 31st, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that attorney on that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. Graham, I don't see the number here, Mr. Berry. Oh, I have Lindsay. I don't see the number here.
My apology, I didn't put it in.
Okay.
Would you state your number for the court, Mr. Graham?
Yes. 586-244-7623.
All right. Answer the calls you don't recognize, Mr. Graham. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very well. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Justine, Dominique, Brittany. Is that Lee Graves? Case number SP 19034771, SP 10314751. Ms. Graves, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Justine Graves. Good morning.
All right, you have to turn your camera on, please.
I'm trying.
Come on, everybody have their camera ready and let's go. Ms. Graves, you were asked for an appointed attorney the last time?
Yes.
Did you ever hear from that appointed attorney?
I'm trying to turn it on.
Well, I'm asking, did you ever hear from that appointed attorney?
Yes, sir, I did.
And who was that?
Let me, I saved her number. Let me look.
All right.
I believe her name is Robertson.
Robinson?
Robertson.
Is that one of the clients, Miss Harris?
Potentially, could you
Gate?
tell me the last four digits of the phone number, ma'am?
Let me look.
All right, let's pass it. Go in the breakout room. Go in the break and speak with Miss. See if you can confirm that, Miss Harris. Go in the breakout room and speak with Miss Graves, and we'll see if that's the proper individual. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Berry, let me get you going, and then I got some Devontae Gant.
I'm here.
Good morning to you. You asked for an appointed attorney. Do you know who your appointed attorney is?
Miss Gaden Robinson.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 7 in a momentarily. Miss Harris is filling in for Miss Gaden Robinson. Stephanie Grant.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Barry versus Stephanie. Case number SP9, strike that SP1925043, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grant.
Stephanie Grant.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so let me, Officer Hazard.
Good morning, sir.
Morning to you. Who's your defendant?
Rachel Lambert.
Lambert?
Yes, sir. Gonna be for EWAP.
Yeah, they have, all right, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Melder here with Rachel Lambert. We have a dismissal on both cases that myself and Ms. Horn agreed to. I'm hoping that she filed that with the court.
Well, you're an officer of the court, so, and unless the officer wants to speak with Ms. Horn. This is City of Detroit versus Rachel Lambert, case number U743299726, U743300026. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I please the court, Attorney Eric Melder on behalf of Rachel Lynn Lambert, sitting next to me on both files as the court indicated. We do consent to a Zoom hearing, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Counselor. Did you put your P number on the record?
P number 53650, Your Honor.
Very well. Ms. Lambert, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Rachel Lynn Lambert.
Very well. Good morning. And Officer Hazard, can you put your name, badge number, and department on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Police Officer Justin Hassick, badge 855, Detroit Police Department.
Very good. All right, do you need to speak with the city, Mr. Officer Hazard?
No, sir. I'm all set on this case.
All right, dismiss. That was a dismissal per city attorney. Is that correct?
That's correct. It was a dismissal without prejudice as to both files. There was a dismissal prepared. Just so the record is clear, Your Honor, sorry to go through all this. It was prepared and sent to me by Attorney Horn. My client and I both signed both dismissals for both files, sent it back to her. I did speak to her personally on 7/28/26. She indicated that she had printed those out. She was okay with them, was going to sign them and submit them to the court.
Very well. I don't have those in the file, but if you want to get that to the file, you can. I'm going to dismiss the case. You're officer of the court. I accept that representation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you both. And officer, be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. Just to make sure the record is clear and I'm clear, that's both files, right, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Mr. Ragnon, good morning to you.
Deanna, good morning. For some reason, I cannot get Desiree Gaston to room 5. She says she's in 5, but it says in meeting room. And
no, she's in the waiting room. I got her.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'll put her in 6. You're in 6.
All right, 6 is fine. Thank you.
Ms. Gadsden, good morning to you. Mr. Can you join breakout room 6, please? All right, everyone else, I've checked everybody in so far, so you know you're on the docket. I'm taking people in the order that they came in as best I can, and we're just waiting on an attorney right now. But what about Adonis Green?
Good morning.
Give me a minute. On the Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Aaron Lowe. Am I muted?
Aaron
Can you hear me? Oh, sorry. Aaron Lowe.
Aaron Lowe,
Yes, sir.
good morning to you.
Good morning to you. I saw you on Facebook the other day. I said, that's my judge.
Hi, Your Honor. Good morning. I just want to let you know I haven't been checked in yet.
Everybody's been checked in. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, Mr. Lowe, this matter scheduled for trial. I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. Officer appears, we'll get you in. When the attorney officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here.
Okay.
All right. Who had the, who was asking wanted to ask the question?
So I could just go on mute and just wait, right?
Yeah, just wait until we call your name.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Mr. David, you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Place in a breakout room with Ms. Horn, please.
Ortiz is here.
Yeah.
I don't know about Monday. You can pick a breakout room for Ortiz, Leon Ortiz. Good morning to you, Ms. Ortiz.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Unmuted.
Thank you.
Ms. Shelton sent an email saying she had to call over to the site. She had to leave a message, so she's waiting for a return call.
Okay. Mr. Miller, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Very well. How about yourself?
Judge,
Who's your client?
I'm Allison Grant. I'm waiting to speak to the city attorney on this matter.
Ms. Grant, good morning to you.
Good morning.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room 9. Your attorney is going to go and speak with the city of, right? He'll come see you when he has things situated, okay?
Okay.
4 and 9. Anyone ready?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, who do you have?
I have Desiree Gatson. I think she needs to be brought out from the breakout room.
It's gonna be the city of Detroit versus Desiree Gatson, case number SP 1916665, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnum, T23, 157 on behalf of Ms. Gatson. Ms. Gatson, would you state your full name for the court, please?
Desiree Lane Gatson.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. What does Ms. Gatson want to do?
Well, Your Honor, I've worked out a resolution with Ms. Horn that the no insurance charge is to be dismissed and that the speeding 31 miles per hour in a posted speed energy 72 and a 35 will be amended to speeding 6 to 10 miles per hour in the zone, 35 mile per hour zone.
Want to take this deal, Ms. Gatson?
Yes, I do.
What is your problem?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that question?
What is your problem?
Problem?
Yeah. 72 in a 35 mile an hour zone.
I just got the news that my mother had passed.
I'm sorry to hear that, but you're gonna put everybody else's life in jeopardy. All right, I sympathize with you. My condolences go out to your family, but you can't do this. You're gonna put everybody's life and your life in jeopardy going 72 and a 35. They could have easily wrote you probably for a reckless driving.
I understand.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, I do.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea in your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 6 to 10, $130. When can you pay it?
ASAP. Today will be paid in full.
All right. All right. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Again, my sympathies go out to your family, sir, but please slow down. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
Your Honor, Your Honor, I'm going to go to Judge Griffin's. I'll be back for Mr. Gentile after that.
And who is in that? You're free to leave, Ms. Gatson. Best of luck to you. Who's your client? The other client, if you have it.
Darius Gentile. I don't.
Okay, I haven't seen him yet.
Okay, I'll be back. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Yeah, let's go back on the record with Stephanie Grant. Ms. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
The client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel, Your Honor. Her number is in the chat.
All right, that's what you want, Ms. Grant?
Yes.
I'm gonna set a pre-trial. That's gonna be August the 31st at 8:30. That date is set so that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I just need you to answer the call you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay.
I have too many numbers here.
It's 586-742-1932.
Okay. If it's nothing further, ma'am, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Brian Jacob Layett. Case number SP 190-78901. Appearance for the record, please.
Brian Lay, I am here.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Mr. Lay, day, date, and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
I understand. Thank you.
Well, we'll pass the matter. All right, Leslie Grant.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
I don't know if I saw, let me see.
No, I'm not on the docket, but I made a payment arrangement for my ticket, and my first payment was July 31st, but I didn't have it. And all of the numbers that I called, nobody answered. So I just want to make sure I don't have no warrant out for my arrest, and I want to talk to you.
What's the case number?
Wait a minute, hold on. SP 189-11542.
It's still in the payment arrangement, so you need to go down there and get a payment in.
Okay.
It's still under that payment arrangement.
I know, Judge Perkins, but I can't drive. You know, I can't drive down there, and I missed the first.
Catch the bus. What am I supposed to do?
I just want to talk to you because I want to make sure I don't have
go online and put it in the DivDag kiosk. Make the payment on the DivDag kiosk.
I don't have it all though, but can I make just partial payments? I don't have it all.
Got into the payment arrangement. I don't know what your agreement is with the payment arrangement.
Do I have a warrant out for my arrest?
No, I said you're still in the payment arrangement. It says the agreement is still here, so you make a payment some kind of way. You can make it at the DivDag kiosk. I'm told you can upload the DivDag app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse. You can catch the bus.
Okay.
I don't know what you want me to do, or you can call on the phone. There's many ways you can pay.
They don't never answer the phone. I tried to call them.
There's a payment. There's a payment phone.
All
right, Ms. Grubbs Grant. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you. Bye.
All right, who are we ready on?
Good morning.
Sanchez.
Yes, sir.
Let's see.
I don't think I'm on the docket. I had court last week and I missed it.
Is it Michael Sanchez?
Yes, Michael Lopez Sanchez.
Michael Lopez Sanchez.
Yeah, I have the number for you. The SP 1920.
This works now. Yeah, you're under warrant. There's a warrant out.
I'm not sure what steps I'm supposed to take to go about that.
Just sit tight. All right. Boffman, are you ready on someone?
Good morning again, Your Honor. Forgive me to interrupt. Christopher Gonzalez, can you join the breakout room, please?
Right, Grant, is Grant ready?
Yes, Judge, we're ready.
City of Detroit versus Allison Grant, case number SP 190155541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Derek Miller on behalf of Allison Grant, who's appearing via Zoom today. We had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Horn from the City Attorney's Office, Judge, and based on the information in our discussions, the City Attorney and the city have agreed to dismiss the charges against Ms. Grant today.
P number, please.
73278.
All right, Ms. Grant, state your name for the record, please.
Allison Grant.
All right, good morning to you. Okay, the officer, they still have time to appear, but we'll dismiss the case per city attorney. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you both.
All right, have a great week, Judge.
Thank you as well.
Thanks.
All right, Ms. Harris, are you ready on anyone? Mr. Bachman,
May I, Your Honor?
you may.
¿Hay alguien que necesitas intérprete?
Sí.
Señor?
Hola.
We're getting an interpreter here now.
Okay.
Have we called that interpreter?
Chris
All right.
Gonzalez?
Alexi. Yes.
Okay, we see you.
No, yo soy Chris Gonzalez.
Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, can you join for the breakout room, please?
Yeah.
I'll put him in 11.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Sorry to interrupt.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lindsey Jackson. Mr. Lindsey Jackson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, he wishes to resolve this matter by pleading responsible to impeding traffic. That's an offer by the prosecutor, the assistant city attorney, corporate counsel rather, and the other two matters will be dismissed. And that's in regards to ticket number that ends in 8002, the turn signal.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lindsey Jackson?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Lindsey Jackson?
I'll get paid Friday.
You want to pay it on Friday, pay it by August.
Yes.
I'll give you till the 17th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There's two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways, but those are the two best ways. If there's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Lucido James Garrett.
Good morning,
Jr. Good morning to you. Case number SP 192-8368, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning,
Joseph Dillard on behalf of Mr. Garrett.
Mr. Garrett, state your name for the record, please.
Lucido James Garrett Jr.
All right, good morning. You, day is date and time is set for a pre-trial. We'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Dillard. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right. When you see the prompt, Mr. Garrett, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. There it is.
Yes, sir.
Pass the matter. Ms. Davis, are you ready?
We're ready on Ms. Ortiz, Your Honor.
Your Honor, can I ask for my client if the officer has appeared yet?
Who's your client?
Jonathan, last name spelled Gojanaj.
Jonathan Laddick?
Goyanai.
That's my client right there.
Jonathan Gojai?
Yes.
Goyanai, yes.
Goyanai. Goyanai.
Yeah.
Right, good morning to
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jonathan Goyanai, case number SP 164-64993. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron, know what you're about for Mr. Goyanai? Please state your name.
Goyanai.
J Bleacher, and VALL JIC, badge numbers 1467 and 743 respectively. I have not seen any of those individuals join. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Respect requesting a dismissal.
All right. The case dismissed, no officer. That is, Mr. Dupree is the one that's on the file for that case, but I'll dismiss the case and I'll let you deal with that as far as the
All right, thank you.
IDs.
Have a good day.
Up to you. Have a very good rest of your day. City of Detroit versus Marisol Leon Ortiz, case number SP 1885841, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1910531, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, may it please the court. Maya Davis, PA 8515, standing in for Council Record Valcelyn Johnson II for Marisol Leon Ortiz is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Ortiz, can you please state your full name for the record?
Marisol Alexa Leon Ortiz.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. Officer Ozzie, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Ossie, badge 768, Detroit Police Department.
You got to turn, okay, thank you very, very well. All right, good morning to you. And was that Officer Villano Gomez that wrote the other ticket? I believe so. All right, today is the date and time is set for a trial. What does your client want to do?
The people have tendered a plea recommendation in which my client would like to avail herself to. The recommendation would be for my client to plead to the parks closed, the improper transportation of marijuana, and minor in possession of tobacco. And those will all be under a 6-month delayed sentence. And there will be a dismissal of the remainder of the tickets, and we stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Officer Villano Gomez, can you, good morning, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Danny Villagomez, badge number 1516.
Turn your camera on, please. All right, Ms. Ortiz, raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth? Ms. Ortiz, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth? You have to unmute yourself. Send her the unmute prompt, please.
Okay. I swear, sorry.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I swear to tell nothing but the truth.
All right. All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these, some of these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Davis went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
No. All right, let me draw your attention back to May the 13th, 2026, around 10:44 p.m., City of Detroit, in the area of Beatrice and Saluette Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Have some marijuana in your motor vehicle?
Yes.
And you were in a motor vehicle, is that correct?
Yes.
How old are you?
20.
20?
Yes.
How were you when you had this marijuana?
20.
Where was the marijuana stored?
It was in the back passenger area.
What kind of vehicle was this?
It was a Ford Taurus sedan.
Very well. All right, find you guilty as to the charged to the marijuana. What about how do you have to be to possess that marijuana? Do you know that, Miss?
Your Honor, I believe 21.
21. All right. And that's your understanding as well, Miss Ortiz?
Yes.
Find her guilty as to minor in possession. It says tobacco. But you
That's
had some tobacco too?
I
Well,
had a vape.
vape,
Yes.
you know that stuff is gonna kill you.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm quitting.
You gonna quit?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can quit cold turkey like that?
Yes. I've been medicated now, Your Honor. So
All right. All right, let me draw your, I'm gonna find you guilty of minor in possession of tobacco. Let me draw your attention back to March the 23rd, 2026, around 10:19 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Cabot and Woodmere. You have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
yes.
And what's over there?
It was a park, I believe, like a park.
And at
Park.
10:10 got caught just after closing time, huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, all right. And you were there at that time, date and time, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you know the parks close at 10 o'clock, right?
And I didn't up until then, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Find your client guilty as charged, stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
What type of plea is this on? Delayed sentence on what or what?
There's 6-month delayed sentences
6
for all
month
3
delay?
counts. That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. I will fine you. I'll cut you a break, ma'am. I'll fine you for one of them. I won't fine you for the other 2. You said you're going to stop smoking those vape pens at least. 6-month delay. All right, that would be February 10th, 2027. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. That's $240. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I hope you can stop smoking those vapes. I don't know what's in that stuff. I know that cigarettes, they've already said a long time ago that they're gonna cause lung cancer. I don't even think they have any true science on what that stuff is gonna do to you, but it's your life. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. Come back February 10th. If you don't get in any other trouble like this and you pay that $240, we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
You too.
What, Officer Ozzie and Officer Villa Gomez, have a very good rest of your day. Be safe out there.
You as well, Your Honor. Take care,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
All right. Who's next? Let's go with Mr. Brian Lay. Mr. Lay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want, Mr. Lay?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna set a pretrial for August 31st, 2026. That date is set so that that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear back from that attorney by that court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay. That was for August 31st. And what time was that, sir?
8:30. I need a good phone number from your client though, Mr. Barry.
Provide your number, Mr. Lay.
313-955-5023.
All right, answer the calls you don't recognize. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay, sir?
I understand. Thank you, sir. Have a good rest of your day.
But you have a better one.
Appreciate you.
This is City of Detroit versus Eric DeMario Gilmore, case number SP 1926453, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gilmore.
Eric Gilmore.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time is set for a pretrial. I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to work this out for you, get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Nothing on Adonis Green yet.
She is supposed to log on.
He always, they always make you sit with me all day, don't they, Mr. Green? Bachman, good morning.
Morning,
ready
Your
on
Honor.
it?
We're ready on Christopher Gonzalez and David Loving.
Mr. Gonzalez needs an interpreter though, right?
No.
Christopher Riviera Gonzalez.
All right.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Riviera Gonzalez. Case number SP 191-60591. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Gonzalez, give your full and complete name, sir.
Christopher Gonzalez Rivera.
Thank you.
Good morning to you. The date and time is set for a pretrial. Was there a resolution?
Not at this time, Your Honor. There continues to be a genuine material issue of fact. We're asking for a bench trial date August 31st, please and thank you.
Trial, that's what you want, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes.
August 31st at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. Gonzalez, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you. City of Detroit versus David Loving. Case number S, strike that. Case number 1159609-3, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 104-87281, SP 133-77331, SP 135-77981, SP 136-76491, SP 136-76492, SP 136-93741. SP 1385328, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant who has not appeared, Your Honor. This is not the first time that we've convened on his behalf, and he has not been brought into a Zoom hearing. I'm asking the court respectfully to waive his appearance. I do have his written permission to do so. I've forwarded that to the court's email. The defendant is currently incarcerated at the Federal Correction Institute at McKean, Pennsylvania, and will be there until, and has been there since August 2025. I have an agreement, a stipulation between counsel that all of the instant cases would be dismissed, but that the defendant would plead guilty to 2 counts of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The entire balance of the cases announced by this court would be dismissed. I stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation and that each dismissal. And on behalf of the defendant, I stipulate to the information contained within the 4 corners of the complaint for his guilty pleas. 2 counts of allowing.
All right, I didn't get that for the file. Can you resend that to me?
It's the written from Mr. Loving, correct? The written letter?
Yes, the written letter.
You can print that off for me. All right, so with those stipulations,
There's that.
And Your Honor, we are asking if the court would consider time served as a sentencing.
With those stipulations, I'll find your client guilty as, well, I'll enter no contest plea.
Thank you.
For the 2 counts of allowing and dismissing the other matters. I'll give him 30 days Wayne County Jail, and give him credit for time served. If there's nothing further, Counselor, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you kindly, Your Honor. I'm going to still stand by. I have one client who hasn't appeared yet. I'm working on it.
And which client is that?
So that would be, okay, so it's 2. Cheryl Gates.
Is Gates out there?
No, Cheryl Gates.
Okay.
We only have 3 people out there.
All right.
Judge, I did speak
other?
to Miss Gates this morning. She indicated that for whatever reason, she was going to log on at 10. So I do expect that she is coming.
Is this on the iPhone? Good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please?
Motion get
No, not you. iPhone, start your camera, please, sir. What's your name, sir? You have to unmute yourself.
Charles Garcia. Charles Garcia.
No.
Oh,
Marcus Gibson.
Marcus Gibson.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Is that Gibson?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have a middle name?
Xavier.
Tomorrow at it's the 11th. Tomorrow at
I'm supposed to be in tomorrow.
Yeah, 8:30.
Okay. Sorry about that, Your Honor.
That's
I'll
all
see
right.
you guys tomorrow.
All right, tomorrow. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garrett. Mr. Garrett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? That's Mr. Dillard.
I don't know where.
All right,
Mr.
Mr.
Yes,
Shelton.
With
Hold on.
with respect
Go
to
ahead. Go ahead.
with respect to Mr. Garrett, today is a pretrial. He's requesting that this honorable court allow him additional time to, he's waiting on a response from the Secretary of State regarding getting his license. I'd ask that this matter be adjourned for a pretrial.
Pre-trial date is August the 31st, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. Best of luck to you and good luck to you on that license, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have
All
a
right,
good day.
Have a good day.
Yep, you too.
Mr. Dillard, this is the city of Detroit versus Brian Keith Giles. Case number is, whoa, SP 13889931, SP 14005171, SP 14084931, SP 1673211, SP 1680895, and U713180025. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard on behalf of Your Honor, could you spell the last name?
Giles, Giles.
Okay. On behalf of Mr. Giles, Your Honor.
Mr. Giles, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Brian Giles, Giles.
All right. Mr. Dillard, it's Raymond on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
He stands mute, Your Honor.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond, and recall all the warrants. You have your ink pen ready, Mr. Dillard?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's one no insurance on the docket. That's what no insurance misdemeanor. He has another no insurance misdemeanor and another no insurance misdemeanor. That makes, and another no insurance misdemeanor, 4 no insurance misdemeanors, 1 no ops, and a narcotics drug violation. Also, he owes many civil infractions, one of which is a no insurance proof, $288. He can pay, I say that because he can potentially pay that and get a valid driver's license. I say potentially because I don't know what his driver's license looks like in other jurisdictions, but I know that that would get him clearances here, despite all the other civil infractions that he owes. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases. Mr. Giles, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Dillard. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, hit the join button, and we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilmore. Mr. Gilmore, I've given you an opportunity. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid documents, and we seek dismissal.
I'll grant that motion to dismiss for providing valid documentation. Mr. Gilmore, there's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You too, sir.
You're welcome. All right, let's call the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Cartrell Graves, case number SP 1907185, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Graves.
Cartrell Joseph King Graves.
Good morning to you, sir. Today's date and time is set for a pretrial. Mr. Graves, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Your Honor, this was the actual trial date. This was the actual trial date.
No, it was not the actual. No, it's not the actual trial date.
Because I even have counsel. You guys gave me counsel already. Miss Phyllis Guyton.
Gayton Robinson. Miss Harris, are you there now? All right, so here's the deal. Miss Gayton Robinson is dealing with a serious family issue. It's not set for trial. It's set for pretrial. I'm gonna give you an adjournment of the pretrial to another pretrial date. She's gonna be in contact with you. She had Ms. Harris here representing, but she's in another courtroom, and I'm not gonna ask you to wait. Come back on August the 31st at 8:30, okay? That's gonna be a pretrial date, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, so she'll be in touch with you. She's dealing with a serious family issue. She let the court know this morning. All right, if there's nothing further, sir, pretrial on the 31st August.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, thank you. It was some other, Justine Graves.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Hold on a second, please. Devontae Gant, are you Gaten Robinson as well?
Yes, that's what I was trying to ask.
City of Detroit versus, are we back on the record with Devontae? Did we talk to Devontae Gant already? Oh, yeah. City of Detroit versus Devontae Antonio Gant, case number SP 191366921. Mr. Gant, I'm gonna reschedule yours for the 31st at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
A pretrial. That's your Miss Gaten Robinson's as well. She's dealing with a serious family emergency.
So you say August 31st?
August 31st, sir.
Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you. Yep. Miss Justine Graves.
Yes, sir.
All right. You seem like you need to pay that $288.
Yes.
But I'm going to go back on the record with Miss Justine Graves. Yours as well. August the 31st at 8:30, okay?
Yes, sir.
You have Miss Gaten Robinson as well.
Okay.
All right, be safe. Yeah, I got you, Mr. Green. All right, let's call the city of Detroit. Have a good day, Ms. Graves. Let's call
Thank
the
you, you
city of
too.
Detroit.
Your Honor, may I interrupt? I apologize. I'm not able to find Mr. Giles. Do you know where he's located? What breakout room?
Oh, I didn't. He's in your room.
He's in 3? Okay, I
Yes.
was in there. It looked like it was a different name. Thank you.
Yeah, that's Giles. He's on a different device. All right, city of Detroit. Hold on, please. I'm going in the order that people came in. City of Detroit versus Adonis Green, case number SP 9917601, SP 1775748, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1778637. Good morning to you, Mr. Green. State your name for the record, please.
Adonis Jerry L. Green, Senior.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for review. Ms. Shelton, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Alice Shelton.
All right. Good morning. How is Mr. Green? Did he complete all his community service hours?
Yes, he has, Your Honor. I did hear from the site supervisor. They're forwarding his documents after they leave a meeting this morning.
Very well. All right, Mr. Green, for that, I'll thank you for the community service. For that, I'm going to close SP 1775748, counts 1 and 2 out. I'm going to dismiss SP 1778637. And let me see about SP 9917601. Let's see what that was.
Oh, Eddie ran my neck, of course.
I'm going to close that out too. Close that out for completed community service. So I appreciate your patience. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you And Ms. Shelton, thank you for zooming in. You have a very good rest of your day as well.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Thank you.
Appreciate you, Judge. You have a good day.
You as well. Mr. Green, have a good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Mr. Barry, you need someone, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Devonna Monet Griffin. Case number SP 191-39241. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Griffin.
Devonna Griffin.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time, and it is set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Griffin, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry as a no insurance misdemeanor, Mr. Barry. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Cheryl, pass the matter. Mr. Barry, Cheryl Gates is here.
Your Honor, I'm
Mr.
here.
Baughman, I'm sorry. Mr. Baughman, I'm sorry.
Ready.
You ready on Gates?
We are.
Morning, Ms. Gates.
Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Cheryl Denise Gates, case number SP 190-1285, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Would you, ma'am, give us your full name, please?
Hi, Cheryl Denise Gates.
That is some service there, right, Ms. Gates? You turn your camera on, please.
Tisha.
Your Honor,
I
we're
don't
here
know
for
how
a
to do this.
pretrial.
Put the
I'm
camera
asking
on.
respectfully that
This is
we be allowed to reset this matter. I have ordered discovery in this case. My client, however, has had a recent and tragic family loss, and we would just like to reconvene on August 31st at 8:35 a.m. with your permission for pretrial.
All right. Ms. Gates, I'm gonna send my condolences to your family and your family for your loss.
Thank you.
I do wish you the best of luck on that and prayer for you guys. That is some service though, isn't it, Ms. Gates? You get to come in at 10, you set your own time, and you get right out a couple minutes later. That's some service, isn't it, Ms. Gates?
Yes, sir.
We're thankful, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Gates, we'll be praying for you, ma'am. August
Thank you so
31st.
much.
You're welcome. At 8:30. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. And
Have a great day.
you as well. Thank you.
Bye now.
Mr. Baughman, is that it?
I have one more, Your Honor. I'm clinging to the hope that he might come in late, so I'm standing by. I'm trying to call him. His name is DeMonte Green. He hasn't shown up.
Is Delonte Green out there in the hall?
No, Your Honor, the people in the hall are Wendell Lewis, Desmond Greer, and Darius Gentle.
Darius Gentle, Desmond Greer,
And Wendell Lewis.
and Wendell Lewis. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Devonna Griffin. Ms. Griffin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
All right, is that what you want, Ms. Griffin?
Yes.
Come back on August 31st at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Griffin, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you do the same.
Mr. Bopple, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Bopple, good morning to you.
Good
Can
morning.
you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Frank Bopple.
And can you raise your, do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. Good morning to you. Oh, the shoe is on the other foot now.
Very much so.
City of Detroit versus Alexis Alejandro Guzman Paleo, case number SP 1929571, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
El caso del
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on
Hold on, Mr.
behalf of the
Berry.
defendant.
caso de la gente de Detroit contra Alexis Alejandro Guzmán Pelayo, número de caso SP 1929571, cargo 1 y 2.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. State your full name, Mr. Guzman Paleo.
Elwood Esberry Jr., representando al señor Guzmán Pelayo. Señor Guzmán Pelayo, diga su nombre completo en el acta y tiene que prender su micrófono primero.
Here it is. I'm sorry.
You have this though, right? That's one, right?
Mr. Guzman Paleo, unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please, for the record.
Señor Guzmán Pelayo, prenda su cámara y prenda su micrófono y diga su nombre completo para el acta.
Sí, ya, ahí me escuchan. Buenos días.
Yeah, can you hear me now? Good morning.
Yes.
Sí.
Yes. Alexis Alejandro Guzmán Pelayo es mi nombre.
Alexis Alejandro Guzmán Pelayo is my name.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, Mr. Guzman has a valid driver's license. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Guzmán Pelayo, hoy una conferencia en este juicio por no haber tenido licencia. La voy a poner en un cuarto privado con el abogado Berry. Y te va a dar una oferta. Si no le gusta la oferta, tiene el derecho absoluto de avanzarlo a un juicio. Por favor, únese al cuarto privado.
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Únese con el cuarto y díganos después qué quiere hacer.
All right, who do we have outside? What's your name, sir?
He's waiting.
Gentle.
He has an attorney that's on the way, Judge.
Okay. Who's his attorney?
He said Martin. Last name is Martin.
Oh, I don't know. He said he in another courtroom.
You don't know your attorney's name?
He just called me today. Like,
Then you should have said, what's your name?
yeah. No, he said his name, but I wasn't thinking about it.
All right. Gentle. Good
He's
morning
under
to you.
9 o'clock, the first name, Judge.
9 o'clock.
And Judge Blesso Ford is gonna wait outside with Mr. Greer went to his car to get his documents.
All right. Are we ready on Mr. Gill?
Not yet, Your Honor. Ms. Horn is there. Never mind. There she is right now.
All right.
Ms.
Go to
Horn,
court, please.
I'll see you in your breakout room.
What is, you have your number up here, sir?
Yes, sir.
What is that? What is the last four?
9338.
Oh, I don't see it. 9338. 9338. 9338. There, you dropped off.
Did you hang your phone
Yeah,
up?
he hung up.
The lawyer called me.
I know, that's all right. All right.
Yeah.
And then who else is out in the hallway?
Mr. Wendell Lewis.
I try to get you guys out of here first.
And Desmond Greer.
Hey, what?
Sam Ragnar.
Ragnar, he said, yeah, Ragnar.
Oh, Attorney Ragnar.
Yeah. Wendell Lewis. Run Mr. Greer's license, please. Run Mr. Gentle's license, please. I'm sorry. Wendell Lewis.
That's the gentleman.
I know who he is.
Electrician.
Electrician, want to have some more kids at 7. No money.
He's out in the hallway complaining, Judge.
I bet he is. Tell him to come on. I don't see him on the docket.
He's under 845.
Because he missed his court date. And he's complaining.
Mr. Gentile is valid.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, give me a minute. I'm taking the order that you came in, please. It's not gonna go any quicker. I'm doing the best I can. Mr. Wendell Lewis,
Yes,
what are
sir.
you out in the hallway complaining about?
Nothing, sir.
Oh, that's not what I heard.
I was running things, but I wasn't complaining. I'm just saying I have to come in here and show my paperwork that I have my insurance and I have the things fixed.
Why did you miss the court date?
Honestly, Your Honor, I missed.
Run Mr. Lewis's license, please.
Yes, sir.
I didn't know, I didn't realize I had missed it, so I came in. And I found out I missed it, and that's why I rescheduled, Your Honor. I wouldn't have there, Mr. Porter. I respect you, sir.
You missed it.
Well, I didn't mean to.
I know, that's what most of people don't mean to.
Okay, well, anything you say, sir.
That's what I say.
Here's the action, and I'll just put it like that.
All right.
I think Mr. Lewis was frustrated with the process and felt like it was taking him too long up there.
Is that what he said? Now he comes in, he said it's not the case. You said you lying. You said you lying on him.
No, I said it's just taking a long time. I said, I don't know what I did. I said, did I do something wrong? I was trying to figure it out.
What do you expect? You just come in and everything stops
No.
for Mr. Lewis. You gotta take him right and move him right up to the front of the line. Is that what you expect?
No, I said I should have been here at 7 o'clock this morning.
Yes. Yes.
I could have been one of them.
And you should have brought a valid driver's license too.
I can't, I ain't got none.
Well, you stop driving. Stop driving. I can put you in jail. And I can force you to stop driving for that time, at least in jail. And then every time you come back without a driver's license, we can do it over and over again until you get it.
I need to get my license. I just need to get some fold, some money I can see and fold and pay whatever I need to pay.
I told you didn't have no money, didn't I?
He's a master electrician.
Yeah, I bet he is, but he ain't making no money. And talk about he want to have some more kids.
I'm gonna have another one too.
Please don't do that. Please don't do that.
I'm broke.
I know. Now you got some money now. But now we're gonna get that money today.
I don't care. But see, I just want to get my license back straight. So I can do what I need. Cause see, my daughter just made 11 the other day. and then I gotta take to the back.
How old are you again?
68.
68. That's like my guy that helped me yesterday. He's 67. He's got a 3-year-old.
He got a 3-year-old at
Yeah.
67?
Yeah.
I mean, my brother's 70, he just made a baby. Things don't stop. I mean, I don't know what I need to do.
I just don't understand that. How are y'all? I mean, that's your prerogative. Any woman that's gonna do that, God bless her, because how much time do you think you're gonna be around to take care of this child?
Well, I said I'd like to be like my father.
And how old is he?
He was 95.
I'd like to be like your father
And then
too.
my mother was 96.
I'd like to be like her even more.
And my grandfather was 101.
There we go.
Okay, so I started off.
Wow, 96.
And I'm keep going. And I taught my daughter from 4 years old. She can put in ceiling fan, she can put in plug. She's a baby electrician, but she's just not learning anything in school.
Why not?
Because the teachers, she said, when I go to school, all the teachers do is sit there with her phone and you ask her a question.
What school does she go to?
I forgot, baby mama school or whatever. You know, I'm like.
So have you gone up to the school?
I went up to the school, they transferred there, and I'm having a problem meeting with baby mama, okay?
Have you gone to the principal?
No, I haven't, not to the.
Come on,
Not to the new school.
You're 68 years old. You
She
need to
went
know
to-
them steps.
She went to one school and then the mother transferred her out of there and now she's in another school. And man, she had more kids. And I'm like, wow.
Samuel A. Ragnon, this is you, Mr. Gentile. You better go get online.
I gotta get online?
Yeah, your attorney's here. Mr. Ragnon,
Hello, good morning, Your Honor.
you got Gentile?
Yes, I just need to talk to him in a breakout room and I think we can then move
Yeah,
forward.
he's making it easy for you. He comes in with a valid driver's license.
Insurance.
Valid insurance, he says. Give Mr.
That I wasn't.
I don't want to hear that. I'm not hearing that right now. That's got something to do. He's trying to now give Mr. Officer Wilson that insurance. Now sign in. And then we're gonna speak to Mr. Ragnon and you talk about that proof that you have with Mr. Ragnon. And then the other officer tomorrow for the disorderly conduct didn't show up.
Is this set for trial today, Your Honor?
It's set for trial. You
Okay,
know,
well-
Hatchman is here. Officer Hatchman was here.
I need to mention, Your Honor, that I was just appointed to this case the other day, and I had talked to Ms. Horn and asked if we could just get an adjournment so I could go through the evidence. So we were going to adjourn it for another pretrial or a trial, whatever the court's pleasure.
Why you want to adjourn it? The officer didn't show.
Well, I don't want to go back on what I said to it's up to the court.
Well, you can talk to Ms. Horn about it.
Okay. Is that on the
I know you're a man of your word and
Absolutely.
you like to play by the rules. I got
Absolutely.
that.
Okay.
Well, you wouldn't be violating the rule. You would be violating your professional word to
God forbid that ever happens.
join the room again.
Attorney Ragnar, his client wants to know.
Okay, I will talk to Ms. Horn again. Thank you.
No, give me the documents. We're gonna put it in his file.
He got it in his phone.
All right, send it to us. Talk to Mr. Ragnar. Go get online and talk to Mr. Ragnar.
Okay.
We can figure out how to get the insurance.
Come on.
So, Your Honor, the officer didn't show up for the disorderly conduct. Is that correct?
No.
Okay.
And he has a valid license and he says that he has insurance.
Okay.
And he says he has a defense for the whatever else. I don't know.
Disorderly? I did see that
I don't
video.
know.
I think
I
he
don't
does
know.
too.
I'll put you in breakout room 5. You can go to the city. And then I'll put him in 5.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. On the telephone at 313-289-9358. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
It's me,
Okay.
6335.
6358. 6358. All right, give me a second. You can have a seat.
Yes, sir.
Wendell Lewis. I'm gonna call you about some electrical work one day. See how good you are. On the telephone at 734-460-9534. What is your name, please?
Hello?
Good morning. On the telephone. What is your name, please?
Oh, this is Desmond Greer.
Desmond Greer. Okay. All right, give me a minute, Mr. Greer.
No license and.
Until I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. Wait on Mr. Ragnon.
Okay.
Ms. Harris, I think I got all of who are all of the cases for Miss Gaten Robinson?
It's Miss.
No, I was
Graves.
also assigned to attorney.
Oh, well, thank you for letting us know that. We appreciate you.
Attorney who?
I was in Gaten Robinson.
For Gaten Robinson as well?
Yeah, and then she couldn't make it today, so Sherica Harris gave me.
Get you out of here. Let's get you out of here. This is the City of Detroit versus Ali Hussein Gallup, case number SP 189-36471. Appearance for the record, please.
Here.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, standing in for Attorney of Record, Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson. Sir, could you state your name for the record?
I was in Gallup.
I was saying Glee. Good morning to you. You got come back on the August 31st date. Ms. Robinson is dealing with a serious family emergency. All right, Mr. Glee. Mr.
Can you say that one more time, please?
August 31st at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
All 4 were set for that date?
Yes, I had Khalid, I had Gant, Graves, and who else?
Another Graves, Cartrell Graves.
Cartrell Graves, yes. All 4.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a great day,
Safe.
Your Honor.
Your best.
This phone just died, Judge. I'm gonna put it on my charger.
Who's that?
This is Mr. Ragnar's client.
Okay.
Judge Aaron Lowe still here. It's
I
been like
know.
an hour and a half now.
Mr. Lowe, don't do that.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right.
You can't leave.
All right, are we ready on, let's go back on the record with Mr. Guzman. Mr. Guzman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Guzmán le dio oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding ticket. And the court has confirmed that he has a valid license.
Su señoría, mi cliente sí quiere aceptar la oferta de declararse culpable de haber manejado de 1 a 5 millas más que el límite de velocidad y que el tribunal ha confirmado que él tiene así una licencia ya.
You want to take the deal, sir?
¿Usted quiere aceptar la oferta, señor?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis.
Estipula
Any
para
client's
el,
behalf?
estipula para el pase de hechos en el que el ticket es correcto.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así estipulado, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Estipula para causa probable para poder desestimar el otro cargo también.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, así estipulado.
All right, find your client responsible as to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125.
Determino que usted sí es responsable para de haber manejado de 1 a 5 millas más que el límite de velocidad. La multa de $125. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
Ya.
Now.
You said now?
¿Y dijo ahora?
He's in there. His phone was dying just on my third.
All right, pay it by tomorrow. Make sure it gets in there by tomorrow. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Ok, le doy hasta mañana que lo puede pagar en cualquier kiosco DivDat, que es un kiosco amarillo en todas partes de la ciudad. Si no, puede bajar la aplicación de DivDat en su teléfono, pagar ahí, o puede venir en persona al tribunal en el centro y pagar en la ventanilla. Estas son las mejores maneras para pagarlo. Si no hay más nada, que tenga un buen día.
Sí, al tribunal de tránsito, como.
So it's the traffic court. Where do I pay?
You gotta pay the ticket, $125 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Lo puede pagar por el kiosco DivDat, que es el kiosco amarillo. Puede bajar la aplicación en su teléfono o puede pagar en persona en el tribunal en el centro de la ciudad, donde la dirección está en su ticket. Y si no hay más nada, que tenga mucha suerte, que le vaya muy bien.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Tenga un buen
This
día.
is Mr. Bopple. I think we're good. Thank you.
Ok, thank you. Bye-bye.
We say, this is the city of Detroit versus Charles Wayne Garcia Jr. Case number SP 1928082, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Charles Garcia.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time is set for a pre-trial and put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Attorney Davis, who are you waiting on?
Mr. Keyshawn Lunn, I believe he's in the waiting room, or he just logged in.
Keyshawn Lund.
Yes.
Is this
And Your
Mr.
Honor-
Keyshawn? No, that's Wendell Lewis. No. 293-2533. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Lily Goins?
You say Goins?
Yes,
Going.
Goins.
G-O-O. Lily Mae Goins.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right.
Oh, and I'm sorry I'm late. I didn't have Wi-Fi.
Mr. Ragnar, I'm bringing Mr. Gentile in. It's right here. You can, if there's not enough charge.
He's at like 2%.
He's got to charge his battery up.
Mr. Gentile does? General?
Yes, we're charging it for him.
Oh, that's very nice. Of course.
Yeah, you get all kind of free services here.
Full
All right,
service
on the
courtroom.
Yep, on the TCL 918-5W. Good morning to you. What is your name, sir?
Hello,
Yes, good morning to you. What's your name?
this is Keyshawn Love.
All right, why are you so late?
Doc, I'm having difficulties with these phones with the Zoom download. I'm on the tablet.
All right, listen, Miss Keyshawn Lund is here. You want him in a breakout room?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lund, good morning to you. Join breakout room 5.
Okay.
And Your Honor, on the Keyshawn Lund matter, did Officer Ireton check in? I think he was late, but just
Yeah, he checked. Mr. Lund was late. Officer Ireton will give him a pass.
Okay, thank you.
Officer Raynell, now I can get Lowe out of here. Lowe, you were, I was taking people in the order that they came in. That's why we hadn't called your name yet, and you were one of the last persons to come in, but there's no officer for your case. So City of Detroit versus Aaron Gerard Lowe, case number SP 1915105, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 191517661. Appearance for the record, please. Is there an attorney in here? Mr. Berry, put your appearance on for Mr. Lowe, please. This is a dismissal. And Mr. Lowe, state your name for the record.
Aaron Lowe.
All right, day's date and time is set for a trial. I haven't seen Officer Raynall. Let me see if he's on my list. All right, I don't see that officer. Listen, I'll tell you what, you come back and you get found responsible for this that's failure to use care. I thought that was a failure to to pull over for emergency vehicle. Was that I'm gonna find everybody the max on that. But in this case, Aaron Lowe, do you have Aaron Lowe's file?
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna dismiss the case for no office. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lowe, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. You still owe $220 on an old civil infraction, all right?
I do?
Yes.
Okay, I'm about to pay it right now then.
$220 on an old 11 to 15 over some years ago.
Mr. Mathis want to tell everybody
Okay.
good morning.
All right, thank you.
All right. All right. Have a good day, Mr. Lowe. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. Same to you. What's up, son?
Back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
They didn't show you no California love here, huh, Mr. Garcia?
No, man, I was just visiting, come in and out. And
Didn't show him no California love here. I'm gonna set a court date
Yes, sir.
for August the 31st, 2026 at 8:30. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date. All right, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, Judge.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. God bless you.
Right. You as well. All right, City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Kenneth Darnell Greer, case number SP 1299-8291, SP 155-82451, SP 191-85091, and SP 192-10261. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Greer.
Kenneth Darnell Greer.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. It is set for a pretrial. These other matters are in probably warrant status. It is a false ID, providing false identification, and a driver's license suspended. Arraignment on those cases, Mr. Berry?
We'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on the client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Greer, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Your Honor, those all talking about is false ID, and what was the other?
And a driving while license suspended.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Brian Giles. Mr. Giles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what is this? I see an improper play. Two counts of improper play.
Yes, the plea offer is to plead guilty to 2 counts of improper plate, and the other matters will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I do understand.
Mr. Dillard went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
I do not.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
They have not.
I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, Mr. Dillard. I'm gonna give him an allowing and an improper plate for the efficiency purposes of judicial economy. Mr.
Giles, Your Honor.
Giles. No, I'm looking at something else. That ticket's gonna be dismissed. Deal with the ticket, Mr. Dillard.
The U ticket is to be dismissed, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, I can't take it, but I'm gonna take the other two instead of the case numbers that were given, just because they're more recent. Let me draw your attention back to February 13th, 2025 at around 1:04 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Greenfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time operating a motor vehicle, Mr. Giles?
Yes, sir. Yes, I did.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I didn't have it in my possession.
All right, very well. Find him guilty as to the amended count of allowing for not having a valid license. Let me draw your attention back to January 29th, 2025 at around 10:32 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Rutherford. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
And was that your 2014 Dodge you were driving?
Yes, sir.
And officer asked you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
It lapsed.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate for not having the valid insurance. Stipulate the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. I'm gonna fine you for one, sir. $240. Can you pay it?
Your Honor, in this particular case, he's just gotten out of a program regarding certain habits. In addition, he is unemployed. I would ask the court to consider community service where he can work these fines and costs down.
You want to do community service?
Yes, sir.
You want to clear everything up with community service so you don't owe the court anything?
Yes, sir.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Let me take this and say that 66 plus 24. 66 plus 24 is 90. All right, 66 plus 24 is 90 hours of community service. We'll clear up everything. If you do the first 24, I'll dismiss those misdemeanors. I need a good phone number from you.
Good number is files 734-233-8416.
refer to community service. I'll give you the number to community service. That's 734-233-8416, right?
Correct.
I'll give you the number to community service. It's 965-8130. 965-8130.
Okay, 313.
313. I'm gonna give you until, I'll just
Okay.
mark it. I'll give you more time if you need it. I'm gonna give you until September 9th. We'll track the progress from that point. All right, September 9th. Go out in the hallway and unmute yourself. Oh, you don't have to unmute yourself.
Okay.
Go out in the hallway. All right, if there's nothing further,
Will do.
have a very good rest of your day. Come back, answer the calls you don't recognize, because one of those calls should be that community service coordinator. If that community service coordinator does not call you by next week sometime, then give us a call. We'll get in touch with her for you, and you have the number to community service. Come back on September 9th. We'll see how far you've gotten with the community service hours. Best of luck to you, sir. I want you to have continued success on your sobriety. I wish you the best of luck, and we'll be praying for you for that. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, thanks a lot. Thanks, everyone.
Oh, all right. All right, let's call the city of Detroit, Mr. Dillard versus Wendell Lewis. Case number SP 1926328, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard, P37-225, on behalf of Mr. Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Wendell Etzel Lewis, sir.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Stands mute, Your Honor. Waives formal reading.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client. We have give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis has a missing or defective muffler, no insurance misdemeanor, and a driving while license suspended. All right, Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Dillard. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in the room, Mr. Dillard. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Kenneth Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Greer?
Yes.
That will be August 31st at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus DeAsia Monet Green, case number SP 1742538, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Colwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
DeAsia Green.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a arraignment on the bench form. For purposes of arraignment, counselor?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on Ms. Green's behalf, give you a $0 bond. Ms. Green, join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Join the room, pass the matter. All right, who's ready? Mr. Ragnon, you ready?
Yes.
On Gentle?
Yes, I am.
This is the city of Detroit versus Darius D'Angelo Gentile, case number SP 179477711, SP 1919556. Strike that. SP 1919596, SP 1919596, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157 on behalf of Mr. Gentle. Mr. Gentle, would you please state your full name for the court? Mr. Gentle, where did you go?
He's got a valid license. What's the offer?
dismissal on everything, Your Honor. Dismissal on the disorderly conduct and on the traffic matters as well. I was trying to get the camera open, I know, because we were texting, but I don't.
He's on the telephone.
Yeah. There he is. He's back. Mr. Gentle, would you take your full name for the court, please? Mr. Gentle? Mr. Gentle,
Hello.
please listen.
Yo, hear me?
Yes. Could you
It
state?
had muted me.
Mr.
I stated my
Gentle?
name, Darius Gentle.
Thank you. Okay.
Date is, we'll dismiss the cases, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, thanks.
Thank you very
All right.
much, Your Honor.
You want the
Have a good day.
paperwork, come on and join. All right, Mr. Ragnon. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you as well.
Court reporter and please report off.
All right, bro.
Thank you very much.
Very well. Are we ready online?
We're ready online, Your Honor.
All right.
And before we proceed, can I just confirm that it was just officers Ireton, Warner, and Burley that checked in?
For Lon Burley checked in. Ireton checked in. And Officer Warren, Sergeant Warren checked in. This is the city of Detroit versus Keyshawn Lund, case number SP 188-84841, SP 188-85191, Z8096251, SP 1430457, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 161-84011, SP 161-84005, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 170-5875, SP 1722338, counts 2, SP 1836910, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1837130, SP 1860776, SP 1860790, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 18999-801, SP 1899431, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, may it please the court. Maya Davis, P88515, here on behalf of Keyshawn Lund, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Lund, can you please state your full name for the record?
Keyshawn Furman Lund.
He really dodged the bullet today. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a trial for. Let me just write it down. SP 1884841 and SP 188-85191. Those were Officer Dyer's cases. SP 1430457. Counts 1, 2, and 3 for Officer Ireton's cases. SP 161840111. That was Officer Raul Garcia. And I haven't seen that officer. SP 1618401, SP 1618405 counts 1, 2, and 3 are also Officer Garcia. All right, SP 1705875 that's Officer Real. SP 1722338 counts 1 and counts 2. That's Officer Wise. I have not seen Officer Wise either. SP 1836910 counts 1 and counts 2 is Officer Stearns. Have not seen him. That SP 1837131 is Officer Stearns as well. What is the officer offer, Counselor?
The offer would be for ticket ending in 457 count 2. That would be Officer Ireton's ticket. That would be for my client to plead his charge to the improper plates and a dismissal of the counts 1 and 3. Then for a ticket ending in 431 count 1, my client will plead responsible to an amended count of blockading traffic. And that would be Sergeant Warner's ticket. And for ticket ending in 790, count 1, that would be Officer Burley's ticket. A client would plead to an amended count of failure to display, and it'll be a dismissal of count 2.
So I have a failure to display, a blocking traffic, and an improper play.
That is correct, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lund?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Davis went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to January 30th, 2026, around 4:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Joy Road and Prevost. Do you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I never took the test to get my license.
All right, is that, I'll find him guilty of amended count of failure to display. Was that your 2015 Ford?
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce valid insurance for that?
Yes.
You couldn't do that either, could you?
No.
Why is that?
Oh, you said that was that my 2000 Ford?
Yes.
Oh,
15
no,
Ford.
I was driving somebody else's car. That was somebody else's car I was driving. It had insurance. I just was driving somebody else's car. I just ain't had no license.
Well, they say you didn't have any insurance either. That car didn't have any insurance on it.
Yeah, that was
All
a
right.
rental car. It was a rental car. It had insurance.
All right, let's see. I want to ask what kind of rental that was, but let's go back to the record of February 3rd, 2023, around 8:27 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and Tyler. You have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating the 2010 Mercury?
Yes.
Was that another one of them rentals, or was that your car?
Yeah, that was a rental too.
What kind of rentals you get? You getting that 13-year-old rentals?
Yeah, they'll be rentals.
Sound like one of them neighborhood rentals.
Yeah. Yeah.
Admitted to.
Mm-hmm.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have one.
Find him guilty as to the amended count of allowing for not having a valid driver's license. That's the same effect as an improper plate. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor. I just want to just be clear.
Allowing failure to display, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on the blocking traffic.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find him responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the failure to use the turn signal. Oh, no, but that's for the speeding, for the speedings, and we'll dismiss the other matters. Are you clear now? Instead of the improper plate as an allowing, because he said that that wasn't his vehicle.
Understand, Your Honor. Thank you.
Same difference as an improper plate and allowing are the same effects. All right, for the fine, 240 for the failure to display, and 175 for the blocking. I cut you a break on the other misdemeanor. 240, 175. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. When can you pay?
When can I pay?
When can you pay?
Next week. I can pay next week. I can start paying next week sometime.
Listen, I'm gonna do this. Come down next week and get into a payment plan. I'm marking the file allowed payment plan. By September the 9th, come on back. September the 9th, do one of two things. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or you come on down to the courthouse on or before September the 9th and get into a payment, okay?
On September 9th. So I come down to the courthouse September 9th.
Or before that and get into a payment plan. You can anytime before that.
Yeah, I want to get into a payment plan before that.
All right. All right. So, and then come down on September 9th and let us know what you've done.
Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Your Honor, my apologies.
Uh,
Just to be clear, I just want to make my motion for the remainder of the tickets.
Yeah, I dismissed them.
Okay, thank you.
I grant. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Have a good day, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Miss Green. Miss Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, that's what you want, Miss Green?
Yes.
Come back on the 31st of August at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Thank you. Is Jonathan Laddick here?
I can leave. How do I do that?
You can leave.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Austin, give me the correct pronunciation of your last name. I'm sorry.
Lazalier, sir.
Lazalier. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Austin Matthew Lazalier, case number SP19 063521. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lazalier.
Austin Matthew Lazalier.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Lazalier. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. You have Mr. Greer.
So what I did, I went down to the city law department to see your prosecutor to.
This is in Judgment Ramon Greer is in show cause status. You know that?
No. You're this one here?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. I was told it was a jury trial.
No.
No, I didn't. No.
You ready?
Yes.
Good morning. We've been back and forth with this case for a while. City of Detroit versus Desmond Ramon Greer. Case number SP1911977, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1911978, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1912011 and SP1912021. Appearance for the record, please.
Deborah Geraldine Wesson, we have Desmond Greer, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. And your P number.
Oh, 35273.
Okay. And good morning to you, Attorney Bledsoe Ford. It is full circle.
Circle of life, full circle.
It is.
Back.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Mr. Greer, good morning to you. State your name for the record. All right, for some reason, these cases went into show cause status. I can give you a history if you need me to, or I can let you, just arraign them on the show cause.
May I read him on the show call?
You may. Purposes of arraignment?
Reading the information against you.
When or not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Have you worked this out or?
Well,
what?
I went to the prosecutor, I was attempting to do it. I actually thought it was a jury trial day and I was gonna submit documents to show why I thought he had defense for almost every charge,
Okay,
which he does.
almost every charge.
Yeah, well, you know,
He thinks he has a defense to every charge.
I know he does.
Yeah.
I'm aware, but I see paperwork for most of them.
Did they have video? I think they have video as well. I just want your counsel to know that, because you're just here today for the first time.
So how shall we proceed? I can show you.
We want jury trial, you want bench trial, you want to go back to Ms. Horn and.
I never could get in. Nobody let me.
Well, let's get Ms. Horn in here. We'll get Ms. Horn in here.
I think it can be resolved today.
I don't know, he's a pretty tough customer. But he's got a very good lawyer. And was an excellent judge too.
Thank you.
So, I mean, if anybody can do it, I'm confident, but he's a tough customer. Yes, he is. All right. Let's pass it. Get Ms. Horn in here and then.
Okay.
We'll get you to
All right.
do your magic if you can. All right, Mr. Greer. We'll pass it and we'll see. I don't know if she can't do it. I don't know if anybody can do it.
And then I think she's very good too.
Well, he'll probably be a little different thinking about that. I don't know. It depends on what the offer is. But I'm telling you, he wants dismissal on every.
I know
He's made motions. He's done everything. He's fired appointed attorneys, and he had to hire his own attorney now.
I didn't know all that, but underlying, there's a federal bond issue.
Okay.
The
I'll let you.
losing the bond.
All right, I'll let
That's
you.
what's going on.
Well,
He's not maladjusted. It's the risk of losing the bond.
I got you. That's something I'm not privy to.
No, so I told you.
Yep. All right, we'll pass it and get Ms. Horn in here, please.
All right.
Just text him. All right. Let's go past that matter. Mr. Dillard. He's in the breakout room. Okay, on the Motorola, ma'am, you got to sit up and unmute yourself and state your name, please, ma'am. Good morning to you. You have to unmute yourself. Well, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
My name is Felicia Graves.
Felicia Graves, you're coming up. All right, I'm waiting on an attorney now, so give me a few.
Okay, thank you.
Sanchez, you want me to set you a new date since you missed yours?
Yes, Your Honor. And then you said I had a warrant.
I'm gonna recall the warrant. I'm gonna get you a new date. You want an appointed attorney?
I have my own attorney.
City of Detroit versus Michael Anthony Lopez Sanchez, case number SP 1920135 SP 1934817, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, please.
Michael Anthony Lopez Sanchez.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It is set for a we'll call it purposes of arraignment, Counselor, Mr. Berry, for Michael Lopez Sanchez.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Michael Anthony Lopez Sanchez.
All right, good morning to you. They'll call the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench. He missed his court date. He says he has an attorney. I'll give him a not guilty plea and there's just $0 bond. Come back on September the 1st with your attorney, okay? For a pretrial date.
Okay, what time, Your Honor? Write that down.
At 8:30. At 8:30. Michael Lopez Sanchez, 8:30, September the 1st. I wish you the best of luck,
Got
sir. Have a good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Are we ready on Mr. Lazalier?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lazalier. Mr. Lazalier, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Let Ms. Bledsoe Ford, Attorney Bledsoe Ford know that to get on Zoom. What's Mr. Lazalier want to do?
My client requires a trial, Your Honor. I'm placing his number in the chat, and he needs an attorney.
That's what you want, Mr. Lazalier?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to have you back on September the 1st at 8:30. That date is set so that the attorney has an opportunity to contact you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that court date, sir, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm just waiting on the phone number and you'll be free to leave. She's gonna break out on four. We'll be okay. I have that. All right, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Jonathan Deshaun Laddick, case number SP 1925524. Excuse me, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 192559881. Appearance for the record, please.
Wood Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Laddick.
Did we lose him? You have to unmute yourself, start your camera, and state.
Laddick.
Start your camera, please. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. Good morning to you, Mr. Laddick. He owes the court money, never paid. He has an improper equipment that goes along with that. Mr. Laddick, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Let's join the room when you see the prompt. We'll pass the matter. Where is it? Where is it? He fell off. He fell off. Ms. Horn, can you join the room and speak to Attorney Bledsoe Ford, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. I'd be glad to. Thank you.
All right, we lost Laddick. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Felicia Grays, case number SP 1884644, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, Ms. Grays.
Hello, how you doing? My name is Felicia Grates.
All right, good morning.
Good
Mr.
morning.
Berry, appearance for the record for Ms. Grays, please. We got to bring Mr. Berry back out because Mr. Laddick dropped off. Thank you. I appreciate it. Put your appearance on the record for Ms. Grace, please. Mr. Laddick fell off.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Graves.
Felicia Victoria Grates.
All right, Ms. Graves, day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mrs. Graves, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
See the prompt, join the room, and now, and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank
Pass the
you.
matter.
Yes, hello. My phone had disconnected.
That's all right. I'll get you back in there.
Yes.
Judge, you ever made guacamole from scratch?
Yeah.
What do you put in yours?
I can tell you that.
You gotta tell me.
He's got
I
secret ingredients
My
then.
first time eating it was about 2 months ago.
And now he loves.
I got some good one.
You don't put salt in yours, do you?
Yes.
You gotta put
Switch to
some-
sea salt.
I do.
Well,
So you use sea salt
Yeah.
and some good garlic.
and
Gotta
lemon
have some nice garlic.
and lemon.
Hey.
He doesn't want to share.
Yo,
He
I
doesn't
tell
wanna
a secret. Secret recipe.
How about this though? Do you add hot? Like I had it once where someone added
Somebody had their spicy
jalapeno in it, and I didn't. That was too much.
You know where I learned how to make that? During COVID. I was watching the cooking show and I was like, man, it's that easy?
Yeah.
So do you just mash the avocado or something?
Yeah.
What is it, a masher?
I got a potato
Masher.
Yeah, masher.
That'll work. You just have to make sure when you buy your avocados that they're ripe.
Yeah.
Yeah, because all the ones I have are.
They're not ripe yet.
No, you gotta wait.
That's why.
So they're not
Don't
ripe
let them
until
get
the salt.
overripe either,
Yeah,
though.
overripe is yucky as well.
Yeah, because I don't like my kiwis when they too soft.
Yeah, no, you have to,
Actually
you
prefer
have to
them
buy
hard.
them just right, or buy them a little ahead of time hard.
Yeah, I like mine
So
hard.
that by the time they're ready, you have them.
Yeah, they taste better hard too. Because when you cut them open, they're soft.
Are you talking about kiwis or are you
Yeah,
talking
the
about?
kiwis,
Oh,
yeah. No, avocados, I've never even seen them soft.
yeah, you gotta, they're darker,
Mhm.
they're more,
Like when I was in there picking through them at the grocery store,
Mhm.
if it was 50 of them, 45 were hard.
yeah.
So they must don't put them out there.
That's better than being, what you call, you can just sit back and let them ripe.
I was gonna say, how long do they take? A couple of days to get soft?
Not too much, not too long.
Yeah, not too long. And then once they're, you gotta use them. Otherwise, they're gonna go bad and they're.
When I was in California, I was driving through from Fresno from San Francisco to Fresno. They had all those avocado farms. It was 10 for $1.
Oh, wow.
Wow, 10 for $1.
Yeah, because you gotta use them up. Yeah, and there's so many of them. Oh my God, I bet you.
Excuse me, Judge.
I'm going in the order. I'm going in the order that you came in. That's all I can say.
Oh, okay.
You're coming up, there's only a couple of people left.
Oh,
It's gonna be Gallon, Lightfoot, and Going. She came in last. Laddick is gonna go first though. He fell off. He's gonna go next. So Laddick, Gallon, Lightfoot, Going.
Hello,
I'm
Judge.
not
This is
looking for
Corey Greer.
Lightfoot, just wait patiently.
When you make your.
And Greer. Where's Joe? Greer is gonna be Laddick, Gallon, Lightfoot, Greer, and Goins.
Okay, thanks.
So it's not sweet.
But lemon's not sweet. They're both tart, but the acid helps it so it doesn't discolor.
My daughter got in law school.
Congratulations.
Very good, very good. Awesome.
Where's she going?
Cooley, where her dad.
Oh, she going to the popular.
She going where her dad went.
She have no excuses then.
Desmond Greer.
2 block 80.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
No, he didn't want that bad. He had documents too.
I'm glad he worked it out.
Did Todd go to Cooley too?
No, Todd went to U of D.
Oh, you a Cooley grad?
Yeah, my daughter just got
Can I get a moment before we go to the next page?
Yeah, I'll give you a minute.
She's gonna move to Lansing. She going to Lansing?
I don't know what she's gonna do. I
Okay,
don't know.
that's wonderful. I am too. 2005. I decided to up and move because I was down here living.
That's what she thought. That's just what she thinks she's gonna do. I don't know. I don't know how she's gonna pay
It was
for
all.
it. She's gonna figure it out. I'm done.
Look, I'm done. Look,
I paid for undergrad.
That's what my parents told me. So I was on my own, and I'm still
She
paying.
be keeping her. She keeps her money now.
That's an excellent.
And then
school.
she's got.
What was her undergrad degree?
And I don't. She had French and she had a minor in French. I forget what her.
But my daughter's in creative advertising, and I told her, I said, if you're gonna do, when you ready, if you're gonna do a graduate degree, get a lot of them. All them beats you making, all that, you can represent. You at least you can learn jargon.
Did it, huh? Whoa! I knew you were good. I didn't know you're that good. Attorney Butts 04.
I was really trying to tell you for real what it was.
Mhm.
That fear make them
Okay.
seem discombobulated.
Well,
and some
he
really
said
are.
he was discombobulated a lot. I'll
But
give
some
you.
really are, and some are in fear.
I got you. We gotta wait on Miss Williams Law to come on back.
Well, I'm really proud, Judge. That's a big thing.
Yeah, my daughter got in law school.
She did?
Yeah. Not the one we talked about.
Well, who are you talking about?
I got 2 daughters. My younger daughter.
How's she get
She
in?
works at the office.
I know,
Yeah, she got in.
but she told me she didn't.
She got in Cooley the other day.
That's why I said she did. So
Yeah.
I see her almost every day.
Yeah, you do.
That's why I said it. Excuse me. That's why I said it like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like so happy. I went to Cooley too. So.
Oh, I want to cry. Oh,
Is your daughter practicing now? She's practicing now, isn't she?
my daughter?
Yeah.
Well, no. I want to cry for all of them.
I know, right?
One reason. My daughter, she did graduate last year.
From law school?
She graduated from Santa Clara Law School.
Oh.
And in the meantime, she has passed the California bar and the New York bar.
Oh, wow.
So,
Big time.
yeah. So we're on track.
That's huge.
I know, I told you. I said, that should get you a job right there. Somebody sees it. And then somebody was telling me how smart she was. I said, well, this, we know. I said, this will show the world what we've been trying to say. Now, here's the problem. She wants what she wants.
Everybody wants what they want.
In that age group.
No, everybody wants what they want.
I know.
Some
what you
people are
meant.
more practical and
But in that age group, I find they're not even practical.
Mhm.
Because they grew up, here's my theory, they grew up under Obama and Michelle and Biden and all that.
And they see Obama. Explain that theory to me.
Because they saw people doing the unthinkable, the
Oh,
unbelievable.
I got
The undoable.
you.
There were no boundaries.
So it's like I'm gonna be a YouTube
Anything.
influencer.
All that.
I'm gonna
They
be
see
a
Michelle go out
recording
and
artist, and I'm gonna do like Jay-Z.
Michelle and all them.
And I'm gonna
And
be
then
a-
they see Michelle say, I love to do movies. I'm not running for president.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a producer. And on and you're doing it. And
Is that a problem though? I mean, I don't see that as necessarily
it's
being a problem.
that those times are gone now and those supports.
No.
And the economy
I
is
don't think that, I don't think that, you know, you're telling me that she graduated and passed one of the hardest bars or two of the hardest bars in the country.
Her mother is trying to do it if that's where you're getting.
No.
And supporting all that, but I think.
No. I'm not saying that, I'm saying that, is that far-fetched for her to be having those astronomical goals?
I told her back then that this was an aberration. When Obama was in, I said it's an aberration, it's gonna change. You just have a chip on your shoulder. You're just talking about the whole day. I said, when you get in the room and you did everything right, you're as smart as you know you are, you're as pretty as you are, but you still don't get what you're supposed to get. Remember me. That's a quote. She was about 13.
I love that. You don't get a participation award.
Well,
That's the closest to me.
I'll tell you what, Judge. I'll tell you what, you may be saying, hey, she may be saying, I told you so.
And she might. So I actually am supporting on it.
Right.
I am. I took, to what you're saying, and this could help your daughter. I had her join the NBA. I took her there to Nashville myself. She didn't go to the first one in California like I told her, but she did go to one in Nashville. She met so many people in intellectual property in California and around the country that are trying to help. And then she found out about the design market because she went to Parsons in the fashion degree.
Yeah, I remember that.
Remember strategic design, all that business. So yes, it's starting to come together, and I am supporting that and encouraging it. So on your note, yes, I'm telling you what I really think.
I got you. Hey, it's been that long though.
Take this and help me boost it. That's what she needs.
It's been that long though. That's
applying.
Miss Williams, are we back yet? Not yet.
But I am trying to go help her reach a reachable star. I am.
That's good. That's good.
You're right. Beyonce and Jay-Z, all these people starting out the trunk of their car, they've seen that. And they know it's possible. And who are the other ones to stand out?
And the reason why I say it more so than just somebody that's saying those things, she's actually putting things in place so that she positions herself to be able to do that.
Yeah.
You know, Michelle Obama was a lawyer before she was the First Lady of the United States. She was a very accomplished lawyer and things like that. You know, so it's not like she's just
Coming out of nowhere.
I don't think so.
Let me tell you what she also saw. We just came back from camp this weekend, the football, the Trident Hall of
Yes.
Fame. She knows that my father, they didn't even recruit blacks in the 40s. She knows that he walked on mission. He left his family in Morgan State and everything where he was a star. And he was literally, his family did support it, but he walked up there and just knocked on the door.
And got in.
Yeah. And I think that is in the mix.
I think a lot of things are genetic too.
I didn't mention that, but I'm starting to think.
If he has it like that, then he passes on to his granddaughter.
And he graduated from the school.
I know.
Judge, I'm back.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Desmond Ramon Greer. Judge, attorney, I know there's a lot of other titles.
No, I'm attorney, judge, attorney.
Attorney, judge, attorney. Well, you've worked it out, surprisingly. All right, I'm shocked, but I figure if you could do it, anybody could. So two blocking traffic.
Great prosecutor too.
Yes, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit. Yes, Your Honor, the people have extended 2 blockades as to the moving violations that are on the docket.
All right, and I'm not gonna ask him whether he did it or not.
Show me that.
No, see any documents. I trust you. Because if I ask him, it'll probably mess the deal up. Okay. So do you stick half of your client to the faces of the as an accurate factual basis for those responsible, please? And you stipulate the probable cause for the matters.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic for running the red signal and the amended count of blocking traffic for running for the improper lane use.
Thank you.
I'm gonna still, even though he got on my nerves,
I can tell.
and I've been so far and this stuff has held my docket up, I'm still gonna cut him a break. I'm only gonna fine him one time, $175. When can you pay it? Right now, right?
Oh.
Man. You don't have to apologize.
You gotta pay.
You gotta pay.
You gotta pay. They ain't trying to hear any long stories.
175. I'll give you till Friday. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are two best ways to tell you pay it. There are other ways. Those are just the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Thank you. It's just been so much. It's come full circle. You were the inspiration that I had. You you gave people breaks. You were just awesome. I learned how to get people driver's license, and I would come to her, and she would set aside and allow them to pay the reinstatement fees. So this is why I do what I do every day for people, because of you. You know, and just the compassion that she's had, the level of intellect that she has about the law, everything. I thank you. I appreciate you. And it's so pleasure to have you in front of me as a lawyer and seeing you work out a very difficult client for whatever reason. I mean, it may be back reasons for that, and I understand that. And I'm not saying, I appreciate the fact that you're diligent and you're just not accepting just the norm. I don't have a problem with that. I don't have a problem with it. All right.
There's some of that too. May I shake your hand?
Oh, absolutely. I need to get a hug. All right, Jed. I see. All right, Mr. Greer. Best of luck to you. Ms. Horn, best of luck to you. All right, let's get everybody else out of here. All right.
When I left, she gave me an Angela Mays down because of some of the things you're saying.
All right, there we go.
And we collect the house.
There we go. All right, Mr. Dillard.
You know
I know you will. I know you will. Mr. Dillard, did you give Mr. Lewis an offer? Bring Mr. Lewis in. Mr. Lightfoot, you gotta take that bonnet off, Miss Lightfoot. That's not Miss Lightfoot, though. All right, give Mr. Lewis an offer. Let's go.
He has an offer.
Mr. Barry is waiting on you in 4.
Your Honor, Mr. Lewis is ready to proceed.
All right, grab Mr. Lewis out the hallway, please. I got What's the offer?
Your Honor, in this particular case, he'll resolve this matter by pleading.
He's gone. He's gone. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Mooson Gallon, case number 267-191-031. Appearance for the record, please.
Mohsin Gillan.
Gillan. Mr. Dillard. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Dillard.
Mr. Dillard, P37-225 on behalf of Mr. Gillan.
Sorry, day, date, and time is set for a pretrial. Mr. Gillan, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Dillard. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, quick question. You indicated that Mr. Lewis is not there?
Yeah, he left somewhere. They're trying to locate him now. When he's
okay. I'll try to give him a call real quick.
Okay then.
Judge Bledsoe for.
Mhm.
I wonder if she still dances.
Now, of course she does. And she can do the splits and everything.
I know that. I definitely
Yeah.
know.
It's 70 something.
She's a really good dancer though.
She's probably making herself an a social media sensation as well.
She has. She's on my Instagram. I'm sure she could ballroom and all those things with Toy, you know. She probably go down there and teach them a few things, huh, Judge? See, they made Gibbs the highest paid ever.
Yes, they did. All right, Lightfoot, I should have gotten an offer for you. Let's run our driver's license, please,
For Lightfoot, sure.
for Lightfoot. Please,
Not a problem.
run Greer's license as well, please.
Sure.
In the minor in possession of tobacco. Miss Goins. Miss Goins, do you want us to appoint you an attorney for this?
Yes, please.
City of Detroit versus Lily Goins, case number SP 192208281. Ms. Goins, state your name for the record, please.
Lily Goins?
All right, today is date and time set for a pretrial. Is this the best number to reach you?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this matter for another pretrial. I'm gonna appoint an attorney for you.
All right, thank you.
I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. I'm gonna set this matter for September the 1st, 2026. If I need you to answer calls you don't recognize, one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, September 1st, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Mr. Greer is back.
Mr. Greer is valid.
And Lightfoot.
Nice. City of Detroit versus Troy Donahue Greer II. Case number SP 1939, strike that, SP 1930981. Mr. Greer, state your name for the record, please.
Troy Donahue Greer.
All right, good morning to you. What is it set for today?
Sorry.
I'm trying to see what it's set for. Oh, I see. I know what's wrong. I'm thinking of it spelled differently. All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm gonna give you a $0 bond. You have a valid driver's license, so I'm gonna dismiss this case. But you owe the court money, $834. You have an allowing sitting here. I'll dismiss that upon payment. If you pay it, I'll even waive the warrant fee. When are you gonna pay it?
How much is it again?
You owe the $240 now on that, but you owe, so you'll owe a total of $784, it looks like. But the $240 is what I'm concerned with.
The 240 I can have paid by Friday. I get paid Friday.
Can you pay it Friday morning?
Yes.
Come back Friday morning at 8:25. If it's paid, you don't need to show back up. If you pay it at the DivDat kiosk, then, or pay it, come down and pay it in person, then it will,
So if I come down to pay the 240, I won't have to come show up Friday.
no, you won't have to show up. And if you pay it in person, or you don't have to come down, if you can pay it at the DivDat kiosk, I'm told you can upload the DivDat kiosk to your phone. That way it'll save you a trip. But what I mean by that is gonna go through instantly. So I'll know right Friday morning, when you pay it. If not, I need to see you Friday morning at 8:25. Then you owe some other civil infractions, but that's gonna be between you and the court, okay?
All right.
All right, I wish you the best of luck, sir. This case today is dismissed. Best of luck to you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Graves. Ms. Graves, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Per the prosecutor, Your Honor, these matters are to be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Graves, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You have a good one too.
You as well.
Thanks.
Mr. Laddick, go ahead to the, you didn't speak to Mr. Laddick, did you, Mr. Barry?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, are we ready on Mr. Laddick?
We talk.
Yes.
Let's go back on
Today?
the record with Jonathan Laddick.
Didn't we?
What is Mr.
No, we ain't
Laddick
talking today.
gonna do?
No, Your
No.
Honor, my apologies. I did not speak with Mr. Loddick. I don't know why I have notes all around the thing, but I'd like to, I need to get him in the breakout room.
Very well. Join the room, Mr. Laddick. Speak to Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Well, Ms. Lightfoot, I'm sorry, I lied. I thought I was gonna go in that order, but those cases I got out of here without having an attorney. And yours, you need to speak with an attorney. Oh, Ms. Lightfoot. Why don't you have a license? I see why you don't have a license. Can you run my license, please? Mine.
Yours?
Yeah, they gave me a ticket and it abstracted when it wasn't supposed to. I'll give you, that's Hamtramck. Okay, so for Miss Lightfoot, this ticket here is appearing to cause Miss Lightfoot to not get a valid license. Can we send a note down to the abstract clerk? Hey, no, that wasn't. Can we send a note down to the abstract clerk?
Yeah.
Please. All right, here's the deal. I think I see why your license, you're not able to get the license. You want to come back on another pretrial date? I'm gonna send a note down here to take this abstraction off for this old no insurance proof that you paid a long time ago. That's the only thing. You have one in Harper Woods, but it seems like you took care of that too. And that says you were eligible on 7/7. This is the only thing I can see that's holding your license up. Ms. Lightfoot? How? Yes.
See ya.
How does that happen? What's up?
But you said you had.
I went to get some insurance, right?
Can you
And
hear me, Judge Perkins?
I can hear you. Did you hear everything I said?
You said, I heard you say about you're gonna send something downstairs and what goes on? I heard about the ticketing, Harper Woods that I took care of and something else.
This old ticket in,
For like, who was it for?
Lightfoot.
Lightfoot.
Yeah.
For this.
For that ticket right there. Let me see. I'll write it on there. Send note. It should be, it's closed out. She paid it, but it's still showing that it's not, they need to send a note downstairs to the abstract clerk. Do you understand? Do you know, have you ever done that?
Yeah.
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 Send note to abstract clerk.
Because something wasn't reported correctly.
Because
back
something
over.
wasn't
I
gone
get
to
you.
the Secretary of State.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Felicia Lightfoot, case number SP 1920417, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 192044431. Ms. Lightfoot, state your name for the record, please.
Felicia Lightfoot.
All right, good morning to you. I can take care. Now, do you want to speak with an attorney or do you want to just try to go get this valid license and bring in some insurance and stuff like that? And it'll take you a long way to getting a better offer.
I can do what you said. I don't need an
All
attorney.
right, come back today is date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna give you another pre-trial. Now, this thing should go through. I don't know if you'll be able to get an appointment today anyway, but this thing, we're gonna put this in now, and we're gonna ask them to put this in now and correct this. And then go sometime this week, Secretary of State, and see if you can get a valid driver's license, okay? That's the only thing I can see affecting your license. And if they don't give you a license, ask them for a printout. And they should give you a printout of everything and affecting your license. But the only thing I think is gonna be on here is this here for the City of Detroit, 36th District Court, no insurance proof that you've already paid a long time ago. I'm gonna have you back September the 1st to get those things taken care of, and hopefully you get that valid license. All right, Ms. Lightfoot?
Thank you, Judge Perkins. See you
All
September
right,
1st.
I appreciate your patience, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Bye-bye.
Yes, it did. It's on her driver's license. If you see that, if you see this record like this,
Yeah.
if you see this, it would, if it didn't suspend her, then it would be just like Harper Woods, no insurance proof, and then it would have a reinstatement date. This one has no reinstatement date. You see?
Well, what's weird is because there was never there was
no money. It probably, maybe it went through after, right after she paid it, and
it cleared, one of those weird things. Yeah.
Because this would have a reinstatement date on it if it didn't.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I got it.
Let's go, that's Lightfoot.
Yeah, I got it.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Laddick. Mr. Laddick, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Mr. Laddick?
Yes, sir.
Come back on August the 31st, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
All right, sir. Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. Graves is good. He just needs to come back next year now. No, it's a review 810. I don't have a gun safety course for Graves. I need a gun safety course. Let's say show cause. Need gun. Let me see if I have one in my thing before I do that. No, need gun. Okay. All right, Mr. Barry, unless somebody else comes in, Miss Lightfoot, she's gonna get another pretrial date of September 1st because she had a matter that she paid that it had abstracted anyway, and I think that's affecting her license. So we're giving her an opportunity to try to fix that. Mr. Troy Greer had a valid driver's license, but he'll be back because he needs to pay some more money on the allowing that he needed to pay. So we dismissed his driver's license ticket because he had a valid license. Miss Goins, we gave her an appointed attorney. That's about it.
I sent it to the extract clerk.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Okay, so what were you saying about yours? You got a ticket in Hamtramck?
So I got a ticket in Hamtramck, and it was a blocking traffic I paid. So when I go to get the insurance, some different insurance the other day, they bring that blocking traffic up and they raise my rate. And I said, first of all, that wasn't supposed to abstract.
Yeah, because it's not showing up here.
It's not showing up. So I don't know how they got that.
Yeah, if it's not on your driving record, how would they have?
Who was Dillard? Is Dillard talking on another case or something? What's Gillen gonna do?
Molson, I think is Dillard. He's he was just in
Okay,
there.
yep, I'll talk to you then. I just hung up from Mr. Dillard. He was we talked about we just discussed the offer for Mr. Gillen on a 3-month delayed sentence.
And you don't know whether he's gonna take that or not, right?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right. Ready on Gallon?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gillen. Mr. Gillen, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take a deal.
Yes, Your Honor. The offer is he would plead guilty as charged, 3-month delayed sentence, and that's selling loose cigarettes.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes,
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. You know this is not the first time I've seen you, right, sir?
Yes,
Same, some illegal practices. You understand that?
yeah, yes.
You're gonna have to correct your behavior. Yeah, I'll call you right back, okay? All right, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes,
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
Mr. Dillard went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
yes,
You understood those rights?
yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking a deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
And again, Your Honor, it's a 3-month delayed sentence and pleading guilty as charged.
Let me draw your attention back to June 16, 2026, around 10:35 p.m., City of Detroit area of 15800 Joy Road. What is that over there?
Gas station?
And you were working at that gas station at that time?
Yeah, I used to work on covering for somebody.
Did you sell some loose cigarettes to somebody?
I did, sir.
All right, find your client guilty to the illegal business practice. $240 is going to be the fine, 3-month delayed sentence, meaning if you don't get any other trouble like this and you pay the $240 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. The case will be dismissed. Come back on November the 10th, 2026. And if you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. That's November the 10th.
November 10, what time?
8:25.
Okay, and I have Bay 240. I got you.
All right, best of luck to you. All right, don't keep letting me see you for this stuff.
Okay, November 10. You say what time again?
At 8:25.
8:25. Thank you, sir.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Good afternoon to you, sir. What's your name? On the iPhone. Sit up, please.
Hello, I'm sorry. It's Momar Goba.
Say that again.
Momar Goba.
City of Detroit.
Yes.
Why are you so late?
I apologize. I forgot all about the court. I just snoozed right now, and I just came to my mind.
City of Detroit versus Momar Goba. Case number SP, run his license, please. SP 191-71531. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard, P37-225, on behalf of Mr. Goba.
All right, Mr. Goba, state your name for the record, please.
Momar Goba.
Day as date and time is set for a day as date and time is set for a Wyman on the bench for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Joseph Dillard, P37-225. He stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond At this time, I'm gonna dismiss this case. His license is valid. Mr. Goldberg, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
I do appreciate you. Thank you, Judge. You have a great day.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Have a better.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have a question. This is in regards to Wendell Lewis. Did he ever come back into the courtroom?
No, he didn't.
Okay.
I'm a show cause. I'm a show cause.
Could you hold off to the last part of the morning before doing so?
This is it. This is it.
Okay. Can I try?
mean, he'll show cause. It's not as if it's not as if anything is going to happen any further.
Okay.
What would you like to have happen?
Yana, if I can just have 5 more minutes before you come with the gavel.
Well, are you back tomorrow?
Yes, Yana.
Well, just call him. Tell him.
I don't know if I'm before the court. I don't know what courtroom I'm in for tomorrow.
Oh. All right. Well, just tell him to come back. I just call him and tell him to come back, or we're going to send him another day.
Okay, Yana.
All right. There's nothing further. Thank you, Mr.